2 players. Or is that a PvP talent or
That's a
something?
PvP talent.
Oh.
I'm running the conduit, which should just be lower grip cooldown.
Oh.
Crazy, bro.
So call me maybe.
Last phase only, by the
The time
way.
we fucked up and we pushed it too early, my grip was literally on cooldown as Esther got crystallized and it just came back on. So
Last
that's actually
phase
big.
only. Last phase only. Thank you.
Nothing of value was lost.
Hello. Is an early link. Unlucky.
Good
Sure.
job.
An early link or a perfectly timed link.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Oh, no dots for us. Well designed game.
Hey, so again, stop it.
It's good that I blocked that right, Hobbit.
If you're playing for us, mage could have another one.
It's true, actually. Don't.
Every side. Innovate.
Yeah, it's nice.
Are you a
Okay, bro.
snake?
Snakes do not make that noise, brother.
I don't
It's
know.
definitely Hello
Silly
Snake.
prick ram
I mean-
snake stood on me.
Ram snake.
Ram Snake.
Snakes don't hiss, they crystallize on your head where they should be.
Trace one of them. Fucking bastards.
Hey,
Oi, oi, oi.
we do not
Hey,
appreciate
come on, let's-
language.
Don't say the B word.
I own if I went to waste, I hope you're glad.
There's one far away. Left.
Getting taunted. Coming in.
That's so fucking underrated, actually. Holy shit.
Pump 4 foot in the middle now.
Punch, stop it.
What?
I don't know. Your HP bar is not going up.
Slippery. Pug look. Magic man. Oh well, no, you go after, yeah. Oh, go Magic man, yeah. Keep Estic alive.
Careful, Cal. You're about to be knocked up. Okay, you're fine.
5.
They call him Aztec on the ball.
Feet.
Go Estic.
Aztec the last.
Oh, it's so fucking good timing. Holy shit.
You're so good at the game, Hobbit.
What's up, mate?
Top it.
I do nothing.
Of course you did. You brought us together, man.
That'll make a
No,
change.
I brought us together.
Hobbit is the
Totem
glue.
Titus.
Dites brought us together mostly, I think, at this point.
Oh,
I'm a
I'm
creep
dead.
down.
I'm dead.
I'm not in this fight.
dead
Elias.
equals 60% health.
Pretty much.
If
Like
you
that.
want, if you want Hobbit to heal you, need to say you're dead or you're dying.
Can I throw your shadow men, brother?
I'm dying.
Thank you.
Imagine popping everything on your
Like that.
fucking pre-pot.
I'd rather have a Shadow Man than a Vivify.
Um,
Receiving a Vivify means there's a Mistweaver Monk in my party.
Hey, that's that.
Swarm was a little bit left there.
So you're saying you don't want me to heal you?
Left take.
Left
Alright.
thing. I always stop it.
Uh-oh.
The double trouble.
Videos.
It's the dankest blink in the west from Mr. Dragon.
The
Stack up for dance. Pump us. Dance.
Run.
This is right, not wrong.
Blade.
Really?
It says run.
It does.
Definitely does.
Very good now. Keep it going, this project.
It's because you have DBM installed.
Dance. Stack up.
I've heard there's nothing wrong with that.
Pump the boss.
Sure.
Shh. Shut up. Oh,
Fucking.
she didn't tell me I needed to dodge.
Oh well. Pump the skull.
Elevate me, please.
Fucking game,
Oh,
dude.
where's the AP? Oh, you took it away.
Yes.
Blue, do your stacks and kill the Goliath, yeah? What's your feet? Finish him.
Soaking, soaking. Watch feet.
Can I get buffs?
Go stab.
Go.
Yes, do you have a
Alright,
bit there?
Blade. Keep Spanks alive. Alright, both the
He's got
boys are
hearts,
down.
keys, thanks,
It'll
Lord.
be before the
Fucking invisible wall.
Yeah, yeah.
Soaks.
Yeah, yikes.
Soaks in 5, yeah? You ready
Hey.
to soak?
Move away from the wall a bit. That's better.
Pump, pump, pump.
Ain't something.
Nell, go.
Count.
Magician. Call. Soaks
That
after.
is not the.
Wait, chill damage, chill damage.
That's not
Soak,
the
soak,
skull.
soak.
The skull is
Soak.
melee.
Just do this one. Do this one. Soaks and do that one. In the raid. Blade in 4. Pump, pump, pump.
No, chill.
Hitting is banned.
Pog block go.
Care to not get splashed, this deck. Okay.
Just chill, yeah. Chill. Keep people alive. The tanks is first to Soaks and 8. Then we do the last one and we push.
Careful not to push this too soon.
Yeah, stop attacking.
We chilling, bros. We chilling.
I think
You ready to pump?
we've got a pump.
Pump. Blade.
Your sack Raj.
Keep Raj alive.
I'm gonna speed out them
Move,
after
move,
this.
move. Make sure you get right in the corner if you're the crystallize. Stay behind with the blade. Stay behind with the blade.
Wait, wait.
This, where the stack is.
Now
In the
two.
corner.
Get
Now
that.
2.
Out of it if you don't have a dart. Make sure
I
you
don't have rally for another 5.
in.
We should have.
Should be fine.
I got it, I got it.
There's a thing going off. Oh fuck, you went
Focus
away.
up, yeah.
Get into position first.
Do not fuck the blades.
Thank you.
Everyone to this side.
Just calming collected now.
Out. So
Out crystal.
We
Alright,
stack,
yeah.
stack a little bit better. Yeah, we're gonna need to spread for the subs.
Nuke the skirmish. Nuke the skirmishers. Soaks.
Blades first, then soaks.
Second.
hard last.
I
Not
couldn't
ideal, it's
find
okay.
them.
Beware. Right.
Every man for himself. Just fucking dance. Get them
Yeah,
up.
Raj, get him out.
Alright, which
Yeah.
is this one which we need to soak? Here. Is it the one? Which?
That's skull, yeah.
Fall for the
That's
blades,
fine.
blades,
Come
both.
Blades.
You.
Come on, boys. Jesus.
It's
Never
fine. We
be
have
on
a
that
crystal.
side.
We have a crystallize. Soaks.
Thanks. Again.
Alright, stack up for the crystallize.
Everyone in this. Everyone get in.
Health pots
Make
if
this.
you're low. Yes.
Blade.
Need one more set.
Just focus
Soak
the
as
boss.
well.
Head red. It's the one he's-
Careful blade. Careful blade. Just focus the bosses, yeah?
Oh,
More
damn
than
it,
just
Gary.
one. Soaks. Oh, dance. Every man for himself.
You're alright, you're alright.
And we have soaks. Do not do the skirmish.
I'm doing red.
Totem, jag ser totem.
Soak.
Soaks.
I'm a diamond.
Fine, just fine.
You fine?
Oh,
Just dying.
Pog-
Fucking kill
Pog
the
lit.
boss.
Come on, boys! Come on!
Wicked blades, Cash.
Yes!
Good job.
Yes! Sub 300 believers, let's go.